Yan o mga kaibigan, just to continue that I am talking here. That is all about the sacrificial in life. No mga kaibigan. It is not all about humanity. It is all about the faith in God. Kung gaano ko po pinagtuunan, paano ko po ginagawa sa buhay, to make it the continue what I have told you. Yan po ay bigay ng Diyos. Hindi po yun sa akin, mga kaibigan. What you are so right now in me, it's not my own, it's God. Nasa Panginoon yun, mga kaibigan. They are putted into the Bible. Lahat ng aking mga sakripisyo sa buhay, the stages of the life, the stages of my sacrifice, that I am being beplant, that I am plant the seeds, that I am thinking, and I am dreaming that these seeds that I plant in my mind and myself to be sacrificed, to become growing in the future. And we will going to be harvest. That's the kinds of the fruits of the tree. All the trees, they could not be survived without a proper care and without the blessings of the God. Lahat po ng may buhay at walang buhay sa mundo, hindi po yan makikita natin, at lahat ng may buhay, hindi po yan mag-i-exist without the grace, without the Holy Spirit of the Almighty Father who art in heaven. Na sana po ay ito po ang magiging lesson ng mga younger generation today, na kung saan hindi po sila nagkakaroon ng ganitong sakripisyo sa buhay. Maglukdog sako para lang makaeskwela, maglukdog sako nga naikahoy, maglakaw, isara ang sapatos, isara ang tsinilas, isara ang brief, no? Isara ang sinina, isara ang uniform. That's I would like to, how I being to be, that I wanted to become. No, ano po yung gusto ko kung gusto kong magiging ganun? I sacrifice. No? Hindi ko po mararating ang estado ko sa buhay ngayon that I being stand, which is, kung ako po'y isang punong kahoy, ako po'y tumubo naturally in the stone to sacrifice. Isa po akong uri, kung ihalin tulad nyo ako, isa po akong uri ng ironwood, which is magkuno, or ang magkuno, hindi po yan mabubuhay in the normal soil, that there is no rock, mga kaibigan. So that's why, sana po, yung mga nakikinig, mga relatives natin, mga kaibigan, mga nakakilala ho sa atin, mga sisters and brothers, na sana po, maiisip ninyo ang sakripisyo ng mga taong may malaking pagtingin ho sa inyo. No? They are going to give in all, pero yung gusto mo na sila ay makapagtapos, sila ay magiging ganito. Kasi respect, and discipline, and the lifestyle, and the most above all, is prayers to God. Pag wala ho yun, all, it's become nothing and to be useless. Kaya mga kaibigan, I stand my side, I stand my ground to discipline in us. Pag hindi kaya, ibabalik kita. Ganun ho ang prinsipyo ko sa buhay. Whatever you talk when you are in the outside, but you are here in my inside of my privilege, inside of my mga kaibigan, just to be limit you. Lilimitahan ho kita, mga kaibigan. Hindi ho ako ganun. But I am going to discipline of us. So, lahat ho, mga kaibigan, ibabalik ho, no, natin. Lahat po yan, ibabalik ko yan sa Diyos lahat. Lahat ng pinaghirapan ko sa buhay na ito, wala kayong ma-question sa akin. I just to sacrifice all these things that before I can reach all about this, mga kaibigan. Alam po ng IB College of Mindanao, alam po ng Diyos, alam po ng Quezon National High School, alam po ng Banagbanag Elementary School when I was on that sacrifice. No? Alam po ng mga magulang ko yun. Alam nila mama, papa yan. How I did sacrifice in my life. Kaya wala kayong maikwikwinta sa akin to questions that I received there, the hard earn, the honest salary that I earn in my life. That I stand before God on this universe to make it the sacrifice in order to protect and to preserve the honesty and the respect and the discipline in oneself to stand to become a good character and the strong character in life. Ganun ho, mga kaibigan. Hindi porket binigyan ho kayo ng pribilehiyo that I dreaming all my sisters and brothers to finish their study, to finish their credentials, to have credentials and titles in life. Tinutulungan ho lahat. Even though yung motor ko noon ay sikanhan lang. I sacrifice all that. Brand new ang sa kanila. But wala na sila ikamahay, mga kaibigan. It is because I gave in all. Alam po ng Diyos yan. I gave in all. But those people, they do not like respect and discipline. And then, you maybe go out from my home. Even you are my sisters, even you are my relatives, even you are my nephew, you don't have right. You don't have a place in this universe if even under me. If you do not like to follow my command, and then, so be it. So maybe you go out, and I do not like for those people. The only one thing to preserve in this universe, the strong character, to preserve the younger generation discipline and respect, because education without respect and God is very useless and nothing. Mind you, it is not good to produce a graduate without a discipline, without a respect to God and the people of this universe, because you do not like to follow our rules and regulations under the law, either the divine and the mandate of the Philippine Constitution. So that's why there is a lot of people now in the politics that they don't have God to corrupt the money of the people instead to serve the benefits of the people and the law. Ganun ang mangyayari, mga kaibigan. That is the biggest problem in the society of human civilization of the humanity. Yan ho, mga kaibigan. Alam po ng lahat yan. That is all my sacrifice. Even I don't think so, mga kaibigan. So that's all, and thank you. I hope so. You make it these lessons to you.